But
All right. Let's start with question number one. So this is the pseudocode for question number one, in which we need to look for need to provide a program to compute employee's name and get the gross pay. So first, we'll start with start. Then get employee's name, the total working hour for the employee. So this will set into, will become into the H. So if H is over 40, we'll calculate for overtime rate, which is 40 H minus 40 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by regular rate. This will end the if loop. Then we'll calculate for gross pay. This will be set as G. So when G is over 1005, we calculate for net pay. So G minus by 0.9. If let's say it's below, set net pay is equal to G. And then we find the end if loop. If else loop. At the end, we just print out the name, net pay, and the working hour. So this will be the chat. Start the name, H the working hours. If more than 40, calculate for overtime. If no, we'll move forward to complete gross pay. Here I'll try to do something weird, which I'm using function call. So from here onward, we'll go through this smaller flowchart. Function call here start with G. If has more than 40, you will calculate including the overtime rate. If it's less than 40, we just calculate regular rate. Then it will return back, close the function call, start with gross pay. This will be the result after that. If else, after that, we're going to print out the name, hours, and net pay, in which this will be the end. So, now for question number 2.
all right, for question number 2, we were asked to make a program for Richter, which is what is it called? The word in English? The earthquake. Yeah.
Oh, earthquake. Yeah.
Then we have, let's say, we start first. Then if you have an input with Richter number, let's say number n, if n is less than 5, you would print that little or no damage. Else, if 5 less than or equal to n, which is less than 5.5, then we would print that moderate damage. Else, if 5.5 less than or equal to n and less than 6.5, like in between these two numbers, we would print serious damage. So we go for the next one, which is else. If 6.5 if the n is between 6.5 and 7.5, we will print destroy. Else, for the next one, we will print catastrophic damage. After we go with this sequence, we will AND if, then AND. And the flowchart will be like this. We will start, then we'll get the input for the n. Then we'll see the first examination or decision of n. If it's less than 5.0, if it's yes, we will say a little damage. If it's no, we go for the other one. If it's between 5.5, we'll print moderate damage for the next one. If it's 5.5 and 6.5, you'll print serious damage. For last but not least, 6.5 and 7.5, we'll print this disaster. And then we'll print the catastrophic damage. Then we will AND. So this is the flowchart for question 2. Now let's move on for the question number 3, which is about series parallel combination. Okay, we would start. Then number 2, we would have the input of the resistance, like how many resistors we have. Let's say n. So for 3, we will set I equals to 1 to number resistor do. So 3.1 input value or resistor, let's say R. So 3.2, we have compute series resistance, which is equal to series resistance plus R. For the next one, for the parallel combination, we have the parallel resistance equals to parallel resistance plus 1 over R. So, and for 3.4, we have I equals to I plus 1. Then we would and then we print the total amount for resistance and I mean resistance in series and parallel, and we would add the program. So now we'll go for the flow chart. For the flow chart, we can see there, where is it? Oh, yeah, this one. We would say I equals 1, already set. Then the input of the first resistor. Then we got the value. Then we'll go for the series. We will calculate it, which is series resistance plus R. Then we'll do the other operation. Let's say if we got another value and it's in parallel, we will calculate it until we get, yeah, by the way, it's I equals I plus 1. So that we can examine it after that with I equals N. If we know that we have 4 resistance, then I equals N, which is 4 equals to 4, then we would and print the total amount of for resistance in series and parallel. If it's no, then we continue the loop until we have these two numbers the same. Then we add. All right. Now we go for the last question,
For
which is
last
4.
question, so here we're going to need to write a program to process the collection of several transaction. Seems to me like this is this operational LTM machine, auto tailor machine. So for the start, set the balance to 0, initial balance to 0. So from here onwards, it will read our previous balance and we set the balance into previous balance. So while the transaction is not equal to 0, we will do we will need to input the transaction amount. If the transaction amount is equal to 0, then we will exit the loop. So this is the sentinel required inside the question. Okay, so when transaction amount is more than 0, so we will do withdraw. Then if balance, this is the if else loop. If balance and transaction amount is less than 0, it will display error sufficient balance, else it will print your balance, which is the total between balance and transaction amount. From there onward, it will print out withdrawal and print out new balance. Here we'll end the if. And for another one, if the transaction amount is more than 0, it will do deposit. Then we calculate new balance, balance plus transaction. If you do balance and print it as a deposit, you will end the whole thing. And if and while and the whole loop. So for the flow chart, this is our flow chart. Not sure if it's correct or not. So start set balance is 0. It will read the previous balance. After we input transaction amount, so if you put it as 0, it will end on the spot. If you put it other value, it will continue the flow. Onward, if more than 0, it will print as deposit. So it will calculate a new balance, which is balance plus the previous balance plus the transaction, the amount we key in. If the transaction is less than 0, it will calculate a new, it will check for balance plus transaction, should it be less than zero or not? If it's yes, it will print error. No, it will print, it will be considered as withdrawal. So the new balance will equal to balance plus transaction. This transaction should be in equal value since it's a withdrawal. And the whole thing, print a new balance, then it will repeat again a transaction. So it shouldn't be here. I think it should be up here. I made a mistake at this. It's okay. I think that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you so much.